Hey, I'm Tyler with Harris Air Serv Heating and Air Conditioning, and today we're in Spanish Fork, Utah, in Tom Stewart's construction site here, Stockman Flats. Right now we're standing in this massive warehouse. It's about 200,000 square feet. We're hanging about 24 unit heaters here, and in total on the entire project, there will be over 1,000,000 square feet and 114,000 unit heaters. One of the big challenges that we encountered on this project early on before we started installing was these heaters were originally supposed to be hung from this bottom truss. By doing so, the heater would have hung lower and our clear height would not have been maintained. So in turn, we came up with a solution to be able to hang from the top truss, and that's one thing that we pride ourselves on here at Harris Air Serv is efficient problem solving and making it happen.